The Good Glitz Duo is one of the most sought after holiday limited edition sets this year, and I'm going to show you an easy daytime look for the quad talc-free shadows. And also it comes with this mini gloss, which is really pretty. So I'm going to start with just an all over shade with Halo, this one right here. It's really pretty. It's almost like a rose gold. And then just on the inner corners, I will put the Ray as a highlighter. These are responsibly sourced, and again, no talc. The Noir, you can use as a liner, and you can also use it for a smoky eye look. So I'm going to attempt to use it as a liner. So now that I have my eyes lined on the top, I might just do a smoky look. So again, I'm gonna go with the Noir. And I think I'll kind of blend it in with the Mirage. So if you want to line the bottom, just I like to just do a little bit. I don't like doing the whole eye, just kind of like the outer corner. A little more dramatic than I would normally wear for during the day. But that is our eyeshadow palette. And I'm just going to add the Think Big mascara, just because your eyes are never complete without it. This mascara is the best I've used. So I start at the roots, at the base, and just kind of wiggle up. Kind of let the lashes do the work for you. And you can do a coat or two. I normally do 2. I know some people that do 3. I know some people that do 1. So it just depends on the intensity. But I think Beautycounter did a phenomenal job with this mascara. This is our mini Beyond Gloss in Gilded. And so it's not sticky, it's not tacky. This is just like a beautiful, very natural color. And it has, again, responsibly sourced mica. It has, again, responsibly sourced mica. Responsibly sourced organic Madagascar vanilla. It has a great scent. So it's really, really nice. So like you won't get hair stuck in your lip gloss when the wind blows. I always hated that. So this is the Good Glitz Duo. Don't miss out. I think you'll really love it. Another thing that you could do is take the Lid Glow Cream Shadow in Moonlit and use it as a highlighter. Just like right under the brow bone. You can also use it right outside of your eye to kind of give it a lift. And right down the nose. Cupid's bow. It's really subtle, but it gives a nice highlight. So it's not just for the eyes. I really, really love this set. It comes with our mini mascara and our lip jelly in caramel, which was one of our best sellers last year. So there you go.